Hello and welcome to this tutorial about Statista. In this tutorial, we'll look at reports, the different categories available, and how to find information. To reach reports, you can click on it from the navigation bar. Once you've clicked on it, it will bring you to this page where you'll see a featured report, the different report categories underneath, and a preview of the available reports available in each category if you scroll down. Let's scroll back up and start by using one of the report categories by looking at industries and markets. We can click on this, which will bring us to this page. It looks quite similar to a database with our results here, filters on the left, and a search bar for us to find more specific reports. Without using the search bar, let's see what we can get by filtering the region/country to Canada. You can do this by typing in Canada if you don't want to scroll. And after each filter, it will automatically filter your results on the right. The industry we want to look at will be real estate, which we can click on in the drop-down menu. And we only want to see English results. We have German, we can't understand German, we'll click on English. We have a total of 6 results, as you can see here. The first one is based in North America, but I want to look at residential housing in Canada. So let's click on that. And it will take us to this page. We can see some of the report details on the right, how many pages it has, the format, the language, and when it was released. We can see it was released in 2024. However, this research wouldn't be considered out of date because Statista publishes reports on a statistical basis, which means it will be updated after a certain period, like every month, every 3 months, or a year. So even though this was published a year ago, it can't be considered out of date. On the left, we can see the table of contents and the headers available for the report. On the right, you can see options for downloading. You can hover over the download button and you can download either as a PowerPoint or as a PDF. Let's click on the PDF option and it will download to our browser and we can open the file to see what it looks like. Here is how the PDF would look like. If we go to the top of the page and see the table of contents, we can click on the numbers to jump to whichever section we would like to look at. Let's try searching by using the search bar, which we can find underneath the report categories. We want to look for reports about the video game industry in China. We can use a phrase search and Boolean operators for this. Our search string will be video games, which is a phrase, so we will enclose that with quotation marks, and, which is our connector, China. Once you are ready, we will hit the search button. After hitting the search button, you will be brought back to the database with our search string in the search bar along with all of our total results. Let's scroll through and see what's available. Here we have a general market data and analysis article, and here we have a more specific article about gaming in China. So let's click on that. Like before, you can see the table of contents on the left-hand side along with the report details on the right. Let's try downloading this document. Instead, we will download as a PowerPoint file and it will download to our browser. Once it has downloaded, we can open the file. You have to have PowerPoint in order to download the PowerPoint also. And we can see it's quite similar to the PDF format, except it could be easier for you to jump around from slide to slide, or you can still take a look at the different numbers and click on them to jump to them. by right-clicking and pressing Open Link. I hope this video gave you a better idea of how to navigate the report section on Statista. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.